how do you like your camera controls? With lots of control, with minimal control? You figure it out for yourself what you like out of the bunch. But at the end of the day, I would say Canon has the better controls out of all the brands. And they have simpler menus. They kind of all around easy to use, easy to navigate through the menus. It doesn't look complicated and anybody can do it. And it has a lot of help screens. Same thing with, well, Nikon has help screens, but the menus and the buttons seem a little cluttered in my opinion. You get buttons all the way out to the lenses. Now, pros might like buttons all the way out to the lenses, but people who are just starting out may not like buttons all the way out to the lenses. I personally like the Canon feel. I like the buttons being on the back and how most of the buttons in most of the price ranges tend to mimic each other, especially this new Eos R5 and the T8i. They tend to piggyback off of all the cameras that came before them, and you get a similar control. Now, with the minimal controls, Canon has probably the most minimal controls. When it comes to more technical controls, you got Nikon. So get Nikon if you want to be technical, if you want to have that pro feel, and things of that nature. Let's see, Sony, they have the most cluttered menus. Everybody thinks Sony has the worst menus, and it's kind of a fact at this point. It's not even just by opinion. Sony just has the worst menu system in the game, but those cameras are great. So if you can, get through the menu system, if you want a camera for a certain price and Sony has everything you need, you might want to get Sony just because. But if you want simple everything, I would